The Infinite Campus Add Course tool allows users to filter through criteria to add the appropriate courses to the master schedule. We'll begin by navigating to the Add Course tool by using the tool search or going to Scheduling and Courses, Add Course. Once you navigate to any particular tool, you'll see it at the top of your recent tools list. You can also mark it as a favorite, and then it will be added to the Favorites panel. We'll begin by searching for some courses. If you know the course number, you can put that in. For example, we'll put in 122011113 and we find Social Studies. We'll click the checkbox to add that to our list. To search again, we'll remove the filter. You can also put in the name. So let's say we are typing in Social Studies. We'll type in Social, and the courses are in order from elementary courses through middle and high. We can then come through and select the appropriate courses. So we'll scroll down a little bit and we will add Social Studies Grade 2, Social Studies Grade 3, and then we can clear our filter. Now we've got Kindergarten 2 and 3. We still need first grade. So we can type in Social and we can type in 122. And we'll see that it does narrow down the list to 20 items on the elementary level for Social Studies. So we'll come up here and grab Social Studies Grade 1 and hit Clear Search Results. Notice at the top, it shows us we've got 4 courses selected. So you can select multiple courses in one fell swoop. We'll navigate now and add some science courses. So we'll type in Science, and then we'll type in 140, narrows it down to 21 selectable elementary courses. So, scrolling to the top, we will select Kindergarten Science, First Grade Science, Second Grade Science, and Third Grade Science, and hit Clear Search Results. We could continue on to add any other courses as necessary. As we can see from the top, it shows us that 8 courses are selected. Since we have removed the filters, everything is in order, but as you scroll through, you'll see any items checked that you have added. Next, we can click Add. It shows us all of the courses that we can add. Once you end up on the Add Course screen, you can also hit Copy to Clipboard, and then go into a Google Doc and hit Paste. And paste those courses you added just to kind of keep track of what you've been doing. This way, if you get interrupted or if you want to go back and verify which ones have been added, you can look towards this document. Next, we will continue. Now that we've added the courses, we can navigate to the search tab and we can type in one of those course numbers. We'll type in 122011113. We see that the course has been added, and then we can continue by adding sections and rostering in students.